Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to be building the Explorer. It's a small and simple robot that's built using the EV3 set, the home edition. You can build it with a minimum number of pieces, and you can also make attachments like the infrared sensor, color sensor and touch sensor, however you like. This is the basic model with 2 wheels and the chassis wheel. Okay, let's get down to building it. Okay, so let's start making. Step 1. Okay, I hope you understand how I've made this. Now moving on to step 2. Okay, now for step 2. Add it to the piece that we've made in step 1. It should look a little something like this. And now with another stopper axle, you put it in. So it should look like the base of a vehicle. Now take one large motor. Make sure that the axle goes through the motor like so. And place it inside the pegs, lock it up. Alright, and now insert these 4 pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it for step 2. Moving on to step 3. Take another large motor. Do the same thing like you did earlier. Okay. Insert it inside and attach it using the pegs. Alright. Now use the half bushes to stop the axle from moving out of the place. Alright. Now add the 4 pegs to the other motor as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, with this axle, you want to join the 2 motors from the point of their pegs, and with another axle, with another beam, so that it looks a little something like this. Alright. That's all for step 3. Moving on to step 4. Alright, now on step 4, we're going to make the EV3 holder with the single angular beam. We add 2 of the holder pegs, but not completely inside. Okay, then we add the blue peg and the green and the normal black peg. Now for the second one, do it in the reverse direction so that it looks a little something like this. Okay, now you want to add it to the big piece that we've made. Let's add it like so that it looks a little something like this. Okay. Alright, now moving on to step 5. we're in step 5. All we gotta do is put the rims inside the tires. Alright. Now, all we gotta do is put the wheels into the axles attached to the motors and use the bushes to stop them from moving out of the places. That's it for step 5. Now moving on to step 6. Okay, now we're gonna make the chassis wheel. So we're gonna take the 8mm stopper. We're gonna put in the connector and use the half bush to stop it. Now we use the red pegs or axles, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's the stand of a chassis wheel. Now keep that aside. Let's start making the wheel. Take the 2 thin rims with the size 5 axle, hold them together, and to keep them in place, use the normal red bushes. Now use the single angular 90-degree small beams. Beams. And now you just have to place the stopper, the stand, and the okay, so you've got your chassis wheel. Now we want to be able to connect it to the rest of the body, so we make a connection like so. Add 3 stoppers and done. That's what your connection will look like. Okay, and now we want to add the black pegs. Once that's done, all you have to do is attach it to the back of the body. So you have to count the number of holes you have to leave. Starting from here, after the peg, you have to leave 1, 2. Okay, so when you put it in, it should look a little something like this. Leaving 1 and 2 holes from the bottom, 1 and 2 holes from the top on the other side. There you have it, the basic structure. Now on to the last step. Okay, in the final step, we have to add the EV3. So just place it here, normal, and now just push the pegs inside. Alright, now time for the wiring. Alright, so now it's time for the wiring. You gotta put one cable into C and the other cable into B. Alright, now put the wires in such a way that they are in a cross. So the one in B goes to the motor on the left, and the one on C goes to the motor on the right. And that's how your wiring should look, or your Explorer might just go backward or might not respond to the commands that you give it. Alright, now your Explorer is ready. Alright, so to test whether you've made your Explorer properly, all you have to do is run the demo program, which is inbuilt in all of the EV3s. So let's run it. If yours looks like what mine looks like, then I guess you've made it correctly. Let's start. and if our Explorer does that, that means you've made it correctly. So that's all for this video. If you want to control the Explorer using your IR remote, then look into my other video making the extra attachment for the Explorer using the IR sensor. So till then, see ya.